All right, good morning. This is another episode of Will It Start? Well, we know it will start, just how we'll go about doing that. Okay, so we all know this is a 5.4 3-valve. I've been having this start issue where it kind of has an extended crank and then it fires and a little bit smoky and then it gets itself together and then runs good the rest of the day. So let's try this again. This is the second time. Might I note that it is again around 8:30 in the morning. It's kind of cool. So we're going to do this experiment today. It's 8:30 in the morning, and tomorrow is Saturday. I'm gonna try to not start in the morning, and we're actually gonna wait until about 1 o'clock when it's kind of warm out. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. Put the key in the ignition. I'm going to prime it once. I hear something like it's like a pump. Okay, to do the things. I'm going to just, for the hell of it, I'm going to prime it once more. Wait. And I'll prime it 3 times just for the, to rule out. I'm trying to rule out if it's a pressure problem with the fuel. All right, here we go. Wow, she fired up. Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm surprised. Kind of lost for words. That's a normal fire up. Now I did prime it 3 times, so I guess tomorrow when I do it, we're going to try it on at about 1 o'clock. I will not prime it at all at 1 o'clock. And then the next day on Sunday, we're going to try it in the morning. And I won't prime it at all like I just did there. I don't know. This is weird. Hit and miss with these things. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have the same problem, send me a comment. We can sort through this one comment at a time.